How to send money from UK to Pakistan on Remitly. First step is to come and open your Google Play Store and then make sure that you download your Remitly application. After downloading it, open it. When you open it, continue over there and then tap on create a new profile. So for this case, I'm assuming I don't have a Remitly account and they'll be asking me where are you sending the money from. So I'll be sending from UK. Just click on the drop down arrow there and then search for United Kingdom. So United Kingdom stands for UK, that's England. Alright, so where are you sending to? I'll be sending to Pakistan. As you can see, Pakistan is one of the popular countries. Just come and tap on that. Alright, so after selecting that, I'll just come and tap on this and it will load up this profile over here. So it will load up in my Google Chrome and it prompts you to set up a password. Okay, so for this case, I'll come and select Gmail account that I'll be using for this case. Alright, so for this case, I'll come this side and then I'll choose a Gmail account. I think I'll choose this one here. And then I'll also set up a password. And then I'll also set up a password there. Okay, so after setting up your password and confirming it, tap on sign up. When you tap on sign up, wait for it to load up a bit so that you can complete making your profile. Okay, so for this case, I think my profile has been successfully made and I just wait for the application to finish loading up a bit. Okay, so I'll just turn up this one there. If you want, you can turn up the biometrics, the fingerprint and face recognition if you want. So for my case, I won't turn that one on. Let's go straight to the point. All right, so right now it's just loading up. I just need to be patient until it's done loading up. Okay, so it has finished loading up and this is my home interface, or this is my home page. So I just click on send. Remember, we are sending from UK to Pakistan. So I'll click on send, and as I set up my profile in the beginning, it's already set over here. So I'm assuming I'm in the UK and I have around 25. This is in GBP. This is the United Kingdom currency. And then the person in Pakistan will receive 9,000 in PKR, their Pakistan currency. Then I'll just tap on this delivery method and then I'll choose mobile money, then select, and then payment method, and then I'll choose credit card, then select, and then just tap on continue over here and you'll be able to send this person money in their country. All right, so that's it, guys. That's how to send money that's how to send money to a person in Pakistan from UK. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.